Hello everyone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to upload code into our Arduino microcontroller. First, open your Arduino IDE software, then open a new sketch. This code will be available by default whenever you open a new sketch, and we don't want this code, so I'm gonna simply delete it. Next, today we are going to upload a blinking LED code into our microcontroller. So I'm going to paste the code in here. You can refer your manual for the code. Then I'm gonna click on this right button to compile it. Compiling is like checking for errors. As you can see, there is no error in this code. And next we have to check here. You can see here something is written not connected. So we have to connect our Arduino microcontroller's cable. Then go to here. Here select other board and port and simply search Uno. You can see Arduino Uno has appeared. I have selected. We have already selected Uno. Then here we have to select COM10, the one which is having the USB cable. Here, then we are going to simply click on this right button, and you can see it is compiling the sketch. Yes, and done compiling, done uploading. Like this, you can upload code into your microcontroller.
As you have seen previously that we have dumped the program in the Arduino Uno. So let's start with the connection. As you can see in the program we have done LED pin to the 13 pin of the Arduino Uno. So this is the positive terminal of the LEDs and this is the ground pins of the LEDs. So positive terminal of the LED connected to the pin 13 as in the program. So let's connect it to the 13 and then ground connection to the ground terminal of the Arduino Uno. So here are the positive terminals like red, green, blue, and these are the ground of the LEDs. So let's power the Arduino Uno as we have dumped previously. So the program is already in the Arduino Uno. So let's start it. So as you can see, the LEDs is turning on and off for every 1 second continuously. As you can see in the program as we have written, it turns on and off for every 1 second.